So, mga ka-YouTuber, kain tayo. Salmon, honey salmon with ginger and paprika, with steamed garlic, spinach, and garlic fried rice. Kain tayo, ang sarap. Thank you for watching sa mga ka-YouTuber ko. Tikman natin. Wow, sarap. Thank you, man. Oh, welcome sa YouTube channel ko, Jerry Mendoza again. This baked salmon with honey and garlic. I'll show you all the ingredients of this baked salmon. Please watch. Welcome. So meron akong 1 pound of salmon. Yan, nilagay ko sa aluminum foil. Tapos meron akong 1/5 of cup of honey. This is honey. And salt and pepper. Yan. Magkabila siya. Salt and pepper. Yes. Yeah, just to taste it. Yes, ito salt and pepper natin. And then lagay natin ng fresh lemon squeeze. May fresh lemon squeeze ako. Ito fresh lemon squeeze. One big lemon squeeze. You know, maybe 2 spoons of lemon juice. And then crushed garlic. I got the crushed garlic in it. Just put it like this. And then minced ginger. You have a minced ginger here. If you don't have a minced ginger, just tap a little of minced ginger. And I get also paprika. Put some paprika. Just rub it like this. Maybe 2 spoons of, this is 2 spoons of 1 spoon or 2 spoons of paprika. It depends on your taste. You know, I just put like this. And soya sauce. 2 spoons of soya sauce. Just mix it like this. Just marinate it like this. You know. And I have some melted butter too. Put a melted butter. And rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar, you can use regular vinegar, or just put 2 spoons, 1 spoon, 2 spoons, and 1 spoon of sesame oil. Sesame oil, 1 spoon. Okay, just marinate it like this. So we have a nice marination now here, and then we'll put it in the oven at 300 degrees for 30 minutes. And the taste is very nice. This is very simple baked salmon. Okay, you just close it like this. Close it like this. And I already preheat the oven, and let's put it. Oven is ready. Let's bake it for 30 minutes. Now let's do our spinach garlic in butter sauce. So just fry the garlic. Yes, just fry it like this. Make it crispy garlic. Then separate it for later on the. We'll put this on the top. Now let's put some like 2 spoons of unsalted butter. Yes, we'll put some salted butter. And let's melt the butter. And I already steamed my spinach, so I just mix it there on the butter, melted butter. And we'll put some salt and pepper according to your taste. Okay, so let's just mix it. So this is our side dish for the baked salmon. Our spinach are almost done, so we'll put it in a plate. Yes, so we can put the garlic on top on that steamed spinach. So it's very tasty. It's very simple. You just put it like this, yeah. And then you can put the garlic that we fry on the tops. Just more look, gonna be more look good. Wow, sarap, luto na. Ngayon lagay natin sa plate yung salmon, kain tayo. Ayan. I-plate natin yan ng salmon honey. So mga ka-YouTuber, kain tayo. Salmon, honey salmon with ginger and paprika, with steamed garlic, spinach, and garlic fried rice. Kain tayo, sarap! Thank you for watching sa mga ka-YouTuber ko. Tikman natin. Wow, sarap!